at the time of this video going live, being published, sorry, Hawke are running a promotion and you can get £40 off, no code needed, off the Endurance ED 8x32 and the 10x42, that's £40 off. And so if you're watching the video weeks maybe or months after it's published, you may have missed out. Unless you already bought them, of course, obviously from us, but why would you buy from anywhere else? And oh yeah, nothing much, just saying. And yeah, in real life it is actually red. It might show as yellow or orange on the screen, but believe me, it is red. Anyway, I'm getting distracted. And so yeah, just a few bullet points about these binoculars before we go into more detail. Really nice handling, comfortable eye cups, fantastic chromatic aberration reduction considering they're just ED and they're not apochromatic, and 1.2, not 2.2, 1.2 meters close focus. I think in the constructions it does say 2 meters, and so we'll get straight on to that actually first thing. So yeah, close focus with their quoted 2 meters. You can use both eyes, but as you go down to 1.2 meters, you simply can't squeeze them enough together to get a single image. So you will have to shut one eye, but that's only if you're going down to really close focus, 1.2 meters. And for me, I'm about, what, yeah, that high, and so if anything lands and crawls on my toe, I'm going to be able to focus on it with these by shutting one eye. But yeah, fantastic close focus. I mean, well, more than fantastic, absolutely amazing. And so yeah, you got 6.4 degrees field of view, and to keep the 6 and 4 theme going, the apparent field of view is 64 degrees, and by that is the size of that circle you see. And so even though it gives a slightly narrower field of view than the 8x, the apparent field of view, that circle that you see, is actually slightly larger. And talking about larger, it's just that these are actually slightly longer than, I would say, your average 8x32, and 635 grams. You know what I'm going to say for those that follow me, they're not heavy, they're well built, and these at 635 grams are very well built. I think the Marine ED 7x32 are about 545 grams, but because they've got a slightly longer body, without even being conscious of it, these lugs here for the straps, that I would normally say that's a bad point because they do stick out quite a bit, but because it's a long body, your hands don't touch them, and so they're not an issue at all. So twist eye cups in 3 stages, and with spectacles on, with the eye cups twisted down, I could not quite get full field of view. Maybe 85–90%. Different people's glasses, you may get different results. And with my glasses off, I twist it in one click from the outer. I thought they come out a little bit too far, so just one click in and I could get a very comfortable field of view, nice wide field of view, without any blacking on the edges or the middle, once you've got the IPD distance set. And so yeah, I mentioned the chromatic aberration reduction, absolutely fantastic with these, especially in the centre. Even on high contrast subjects, away from high contrast subjects, you're not going to notice any at all. And very good quality, pretty much I would say to the outer 10%, 10–15%, with a little drop off in sharpness, but I would say better than the average, certainly. So yeah, nice bright contrasty view, and compared to the 8x, with it having a narrower depth of field, once you get used to the focus, and you will have to use the focus quite a bit with it being 10 magnification, with that shallower depth field, it throws the background more out of focus, and so your subject stands out more against the background, and with that narrower field of view, you're not getting distracted from what's either side of you. So yeah, a nice little set of binoculars, very, very easy to handle, nice smooth focus, ideal, you know, for the beginner or the experienced user. As with all Hawke binoculars, you get the lifetime guarantee when you order from us. I will include the constructions on how to register for your lifetime warranty. Nice padded strap, lens caps all round, cleaning cloth, a hard case, and yeah, just everything you need to start bird watching at an affordable price. And so, link to buy in the description below. Obviously you are supporting our channel by doing so, and I know a lot of you have done, and if I will need reminding, and so when you order through our website, click on the order confirmation, or reply to the order confirmation email saying that you watch our channel, or if you like at the optics weekends or over the phone, just say, remind me that you watch the optics week, the YouTube channel, and I'll put a little extra something in the box. And so that's a quick look at the Hawke Endurance ED 10x32, currently £40 off. So if you're watching this video not long after it's been published, you know, it is a limited time offer. So yeah, as always, I hope that helps. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.